So guys, this is the result of my crayon. Kok crayon sih? Waduh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to make play-doh art. Actually, this is the continue of my scraping crayon art. I said to hack, so this is the part 2 of it. So first, you are going to need flour, food coloring, salt, and water, and plate and spoon too. And so first, you're going to add 1.5 tablespoon of flour. That's 1 drop of food coloring. 1 drop. 1 drop. Ah, no! I should make a mountain first. And then I'm going to add salt. 1 spoon of it. 1 spoon. A little bit of spoon. And then water. Last one. I think that's enough. And then mix it. And if it's too dry, add a little bit of water. Like me, this is too dry. Or if more melted, you're going to add more flour. Just a little bit more, okay? I'm going to add a little bit of water. Ah, no, that's too much. Okay, that's too much. Add it. That's much. You have to mix it really well. Nice play-doh. Mix really well. Oh yeah guys, I forgot to mention. This will expire in 4 weeks too. So you should throw it. It will be on 4 weeks. Add the flour a little bit. Okay. In shape. That's much. This is all play-doh. And I got another spoon, so this is for to remove the excess of the spoon, so it's easier, not from the spoon itself. Yeah, getting the steering there. How to make this is really easy. Just make that. Cover your hand with flour. Get ready for massness. Oh my goodness! Wow! Yay! Starting in shape. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! This ain't my flower. You have to bake it with flour. Starting to get ready for the art. Alright, wait. No, get back. Starting to not to stick in your fingers or hand. More flour. Just don't add the flour too much. It will be ruin the play-doh. Do not stick itself to the play-doh itself. So like this. I cut it up and put it now in one. It sticks. Yay! It's done. I'm going to make black and white. So I'm going to skip this step up. One drop, little guy. One drop. Ah, no, that's enough. That's enough. Let's fix it with this. Okay, red is kind of empty, just one. Okay, that's a little bit too much. And now yellow. Little bit yellow, just a little bit. Okay, that's it. Ah, that's enough. And then so add salt. 1 tablespoon of salt. Okay, this is kind of messy. No, this is the excess of it. 1 spoon. 1 spoon. No! What the hell am I? Remove the blue thing. After that. That's enough. And then water. Oh no! No. Don't spill. Okay, rainbow. Close it, leave it, and stir it. Ooh. Need more. I need more water, like this. Ooh, rainbow. So what? Sedikit aja. Atau enggak? Pilih sedikit aja. Dudu brown. Dudu brown. Oh my god, Dudu brown. Dudu brown is here. Oh no, it's going to ruin my life. And he done it. Dudu brown, please make black. Please make black. A little bit. Mix. Yay, I create my worst fear. It's grayish, brownish, black color. So guys, I can finally make black. It's so hard to get black from this 3 primary colors. It turned into a Dudu brown at first, and then I added blue more, and turned into this, and red more. So just wait until I make a black Play-Doh and a white one. So guys, this is the result of my Play-Doh. Just like squishy. I'm going to do this into a art piece. It took a little bit long time for this to make. It's already hardened, and I forgot to mention too. If this touch water, it will be ruined or hardened in 2 days, I think. Yeah, in 2 days. So don't touch if your hand is on water. It will be hardened. So let's get started in the art. First, I'm going to make the base or the black first. I think I'm going to make the base first. White. I think white. White. A little bit of white. So I will mix these two colors and mix it together to get a little lighter blue. Mix it, mix it, mix it. And then the darker blue. So like that, just like from the transition of it, to make it more realistic. Not too realistic either. So let's put some music on it. Oh no! Oh my god, kok gak campur-campur loh. Gak campur sih. Ayo kecampur dong. It has a hair on it. This, if you sweating, it will be so sticky. Oh my god. Just don't touch the white ever. It will ruin the moon or the white. Oh my goodness. Stick into the paper, not stick to me. Okay, now the moon is done. Just gentle, okay? Don't be like me. Just be gentle with it. It will be kill you with this art. Okay. Little by little is better. Okay, that's medium. Two. Oh my goodness. Okay. So guys, this is the result. I'm going to add something to it. Just a little bit more finish. Just the frame, I will make it from the Play-Doh too. I will make a different color. So just wait, okay guys? 1 second, okay? Done, guys. So guys, this is the result of my Play-Doh art hack. So cute. Let me know if you like it or don't like it. Just please subscribe and turn on the notification. If you want any requests or questions, just let me know in the comments. So see you in the next video. Bye.